Hi everyone, it's Joanna here. I'm super excited because I've put together a 30-day workout plan to get you fitter and stronger from home. This program has a combination of HIIT workouts and strength training to boost your metabolism, burn calories, lose weight, and sculpt lean muscle mass effectively. All you need is only 30 minutes a day to get the workouts done. And the best part is, you can do it at home in a small space with minimal equipment. All my workouts are done in real time, and I will be guiding you through the entire class, making sure that you're doing the exercises correctly and to keep you motivated. Plus, we'll be having lots of fun. If at all you feel that the exercises are too tough, then feel free to choose the easier version and slowly progress through the weeks. I've created a playlist on my YouTube channel with all the workouts, as well as a workout calendar available on my website, which you can download and print it out. All the links are in my description box below. So let's get active and get moving from the comfort of your own home. Do remember to take pictures or videos, share it on your IG and Facebook, and tag me at Joanna Soh Official. #JSoh30Day Fit Challenge. Share this workout plan with your friends and get them to join you. Be ready for the afterburn and amazing results. All the best!